countries with a large Chinese diaspora. It is often found in Chinese bakeries and specialty food stores, and is a delicious dessert to enjoy with friends and family during the Mid-Autumn Festival. In conclusion, baked mooncake is a delicious and culturally significant dessert that has been enjoyed for centuries in China and around the world. Whether enjoyed as a traditional pastry or in a modern adaptation, baked mooncake is a sweet treat that continues to be celebrated for its taste, versatility, and cultural significance. Certainly. Another interesting fact about baked mooncake is that it has a rich history and cultural significance in China. During the Ming Dynasty, baked mooncake was used as a way to organize a rebellion against the ruling Mongol government. The cakes were filled with secret messages and were distributed among the rebels, who used them to plan their attack. Since then, baked mooncake has become an important part of Chinese culture and traditions. It is often associated with family reunions and is a symbol of unity and togetherness. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, families gather together to share mooncakes and to gaze at the full moon, a symbol of prosperity and happiness. Baked mooncake is also a popular dessert for weddings and other celebrations in China. It is often presented as a gift to the bride and groom, and is a symbol of good luck and happiness in the marriage. In addition to its cultural significance, baked mooncake is also known for its beautiful and intricate designs. Many mooncakes are decorated with intricate patterns and designs, such as floral motifs or Chinese characters. These designs are often made using a special mooncake mold or stamp, which is used to press the pastry dough into the desired shape. Finally, baked mooncake has also been adapted to suit different dietary needs and preferences. Some mooncakes are made with vegetarian or vegan fillings, while others are made with low sugar or low fat ingredients. These healthier options make baked mooncake accessible to a wider range of people, including those with dietary restrictions or health concerns. In conclusion, baked mooncake is a delicious and culturally significant dessert that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. Whether enjoyed as a traditional pastry or in a modern adaptation, baked mooncake is a sweet treat that continues to be celebrated for its taste, cultural significance, and festive spirit. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards creative and innovative takes on the traditional baked mooncake. Some bakeries and shops have started experimenting with unique flavors and fillings, such as matcha, black sesame, or even durian. These new and exciting flavors have helped to keep the tradition of baked mooncake alive and relevant for a new generation of food enthusiasts. Another interesting fact about baked mooncake is that it is often paired with tea during the Mid-Autumn Festival. Tea is a popular beverage in China, and is often served alongside mooncakes to help balance the sweetness of the pastry. Some of the most popular tea pairings include oolong, pu'er, and jasmine tea. Baked mooncake is also a popular food item during other festivals and celebrations in China, such as the Dragon Boat Festival. During this festival, a different type of mooncake, known as zongzi, is often consumed. Zongzi is made with glutinous rice and is wrapped in bamboo leaves, giving it a unique and savory flavor. Finally, baked mooncake has become a popular souvenir among tourists visiting China.